Thank you for joining my channel. This is how to draw watercolor flower with touching techniques. This is very easy, you will be surprised. At this time, I use a different color. I use pink from Dr. P.H. Martin, and the green one I still use olive green. So we will use two brushes, the big one and the small one, but we will use the small one to make 5 pink flowers like this. So I use the big brush to make a dots in the middle. And this time I try to draw this flower in a circle shape. So I make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 dots. And then we put paints a lot in the middle. And then I use the small brush and touch the paint to make the flower. By using the small brush, you can see the difference. You can control the form of each petal because the small brush gives you more freedom to create the flower compared to the big brush. Again, I will make my video in slow motion so you can see how my brush touches the little pin and then move forward. And you can continue from flower number 1 to 6. Again here, I put it in very slow motion. You can see how my brush touches the paint, and then you can draw the petal one by one. It's very nice, isn't it? You will find that each flower will be different, will not be the same. But this is the beauty of using touching technique with watercolor, because you can find 6 different flowers and you will be amazed with the result. Now enjoy the music and continue drawing your flowers. We finished with 6 flowers, and after you dry it will look like this. You also can practice using another color. This is the beauty of watercolor, because when you use touching technique, you can see the result will not be the same for each flower. Okay, now we continue with add leaf to flower number 2. I use the small brush to make a single leaf. Sometimes I make double, and I just combine the dark green with the light one. If you want darker green, then you add some more paint. You don't need to be perfect, because sometimes drawing losing style like this is very interesting. You can add leaf wherever you like, because this is a circle shaped flower like a wreath, so I add some leaves surrounding this flower. You see, sometimes I turn around my paper, or sometimes I turn around my hands to reach the space that I want to add leaf. Good, we finished now. So this is the final result. And later on, using Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, you can design a wedding invitation, tag card, or a greeting card like this. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give me like and subscribe my channel Honey Honey.